everyone. Welcome to our show, your show, the
real show.
Oop. You all have allowed me to say the movie show before the real show, Ada. Just continue.
I was excited now.
Just continue. So let's take it again. Welcome to the movie show, our show, your show, the real show.
I just decided to let you have it. I already had one.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you. So Ada,
welcome.
What do you have for us today on the show now?
Well, I'm actually going to let you take this because you're the person that was calling me, disturbing me. So I don't want to cast you. I don't want to cast you. Okay, let me cast you. Should I cast you?
Okay. So guys, today we have for you. I was in my feelings this weekend,
yes,
and I called Ada up and I was like, Ada, I'm feeling like love and magic, and I feel like love and laugh. I want to laugh and I want to love. So what can make us what can we have that has both this synergy, like two of them together?
And being the amazing friend that I am, I was like, naturally,
we're done.
Romantic comedies, right?
Yes, rom-coms.
They cheer you up, they make you feel warm and fuzzy, you know. They make you fantasize about your dream.
They make you say,
boo or bae. Yeah, see, now she feels amazing, right? So it was just, I think it was exactly what you needed. Yeah.
Let's just move on.
So we're going to do the same for you.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Okay.
Because we like giving back.
Yeah. We do a lot for the community. We're very amazing people.
So we have top 5 in our opinion, like 5 unforgettable Nollywood rom-coms.
Yeah.
Let's start with Christmas is Coming.
Oh, I like that one. That's one of my favorites. Yeah.
So it has Obioma. She wrote, she produced, and she directed. Like it's 3 in 1.
It's not
genius.
Easy. It's not easy.
It's not easy work. And the storyline was impressive. It was wonderful.
She's the lead actress in it too, so I can't imagine.
Yeah, she plays the lead role. Right?
Yeah, so that must have been something else. Yeah. And her character, like, you know, she's this tomboy. She stresses her friends out, and they are very naughty. Naughty friends.
They were actually like, they wanted her to, you know, come out of her shell.
Yeah, they gave her a makeover,
and she had this really, really, really nasty colleague played by Chioma Porter. You know, Lola Makinde, like,
you know, that hater. We all have that hater in our lives. That for some reason.
So that was Chioma in Ubioma's life. In Christmas is Coming. Then there was this, you know, when you have a rom-com, there's always this, you know, guy that would always
dream,
yes, and everything. So there was this. Demi Okolan was this guy that
handsome as ever.
Yes, handsome as ever. And the meeting between she and the first meeting, you know, when in rom-coms when the encounters are always so nice, unforgettable, and this one was really unforgettable because it was really an embarrassing moment for her.
You know, when you actually you feel
like
it. Second-hand
embarrassment. I think she was pulling. I don't know, for people that have not watched it, I don't want to spoil it.
Yeah,
let's not spoil it. So I think let's just do it. Like, she was pulling down her panties and it was really, really funny. And she didn't know that the guy was there. Like, the film is just so good. So it has Sholashe Bowale, it has Akoji, it has Mary Lazarus, of course, Obioma Magdemo Kolan, Chioma Porter, you know, Michael Ocon. The film is really, really, really good. Like, you guys should see it. And
it'll make you feel nice, you know. It's like a Christmas movie,
gives you that Hallmark feel, right?
It's exactly, you know, if we were able people, we'd be sitting here with our hot chocolate and like, okay, I'm going too far. You're
going too fast. Come down, come back.
Okay, let me get to reality, you know. But you know, reality is overrated. That's why we're here giving you all the movies.
Moving on the list. Number 4.
That was rude.
Sorry.
Okay, which one do you want to do next?
Number 4 on the list, Sobi's Mistake. Yeah, Sobi's Mistake.
I like this movie.
You do?
Yes, I do. Because, you know,
I know, like, because of
I love bad.
You like.
Can I say it?
Yeah, say it.
I love bad babes. Yes. You thought I was gonna say no, I wasn't. But I love the fact that she was this like unavailable woman, and he was like,
and she had this like double life.
Yeah.
She had double life. So it reminds me of one book I used to love, one romantic, Amber by Night. So it was like she was this person by night and another person by day.
Book. That just sounds like...
Just let's go, let's continue.
That sounds like a blues album. Alba by night. Like, all these dirty romance now.
I don't have time for you.
Okay.
So let's talk about the film. So Biz Mystic. He has... I love Kunle Remi. I don't know what anybody says though. Kunle Remi plays the lead role. He plays Sobi and he falls in love with a girl just known as Mystic, who he meets in the club, and the girl just gives him this, unavailable vibe. He's a Casanova.
Yeah.
Do you get? So when he meets somebody that he doesn't fall for his charm, he's always like, I must get this one.
Yeah. Now it's a challenge.
Like a challenge, exactly.
Yeah.
A challenge. So it felt like a challenge, but she was always forming unavailable. She didn't want to. She wasn't interested, and that was just got Kunle Remi, who was so in the film.
Yeah, he was like, I need to have her.
So, and it was written, directed, and produced by Biodo Students. This woman is excellent. Yeah. Like she's everything.
She's everything.
She knows her work. She knows her onions. Like she knows
film. Produces great work all the time. So, it's like it's always enjoyable at the end of the day, even if you're like not really into romantic comedies. I feel like you would watch hers and just feel, you feel it.
Yeah. So we have 3 more films to go. Yeah. But let's go on a short break. Why me and you just talk about something? So share that thing that you were doing during the weekend.
Tell me. I don't know what you're talking about.
So we're going to go on a short break. When we come back, we'll give you the 3 more films we have.
Welcome back to The Real Show.
Why do you like taking words out of my mouth?
Get out, Jerry. Is it your show?
Okay. It's
anyway,
okay.
Yes.
Continue. Keep at it. It's your time to shine now. Bask in the spotlight,
and I will
please.
shine. Hater. Anyway, stop that. Anyway, we're going to go on to our next movie. Thank you for sticking with us. I love you. Zaynah loves you too. Anyway,
maybe you need my help.
I don't need your help. I'm going to pick this next movie because I love it so much. This movie is called When Love Happens, and it's like my favorite romantic comedy. It has, someone I really admire, Obioma as the lead.
Yeah, she plays Mo Bankole Smith.
Yeah, and she's like this wedding planner. She she's always the bridesmaid, never the bride. Exactly, that's the phrase, right? And she just like, she's very unlucky in love, and
it gives you that Jennifer Lopez wedding planner feel, right?
It gives you all those type of like.
And I like the fact that she didn't actually end up with the
obvious guy.
Yeah.
Yes, I love this.
And the guy that
she
was always it just makes you think that the guy that you actually like might be in your line of sight.
Yes,
it's
true.
Ada, you don't know.
No, I know it's not in my line of sight.
Just under your nose, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. Just like so.
It's true. Actually, who knows?
When Love Happens was written by Diche Enonwa and Temitope Bolade. Directed by Seyi Babatope, produced by Kene Mparu, Moses Babatope, Seyi Babatope, starring Weruche Opia, Gideon Lukeke, Osi UKJ, Beverly Naya, Shaffy Bello, Kepi Ekpeyong, Buki Wright, Wale Ojo.
Star-studded. Everybody is.
I feel like I've caught everybody in Hollywood inside this film.
And Weruche Opia, interestingly enough, is now doing big things.
Yeah, she's in that. I Will Destroy You in that.
Yeah, I may destroy you.
She has left us.
She has actually left us.
Weruche, come back. Nollywood needs you.
We need you. I love how like she flips. She can be the really bougie chick, and then she can just turn into Jennifer.
Right. That's Stella. Stella acting. That's Stella acting.
She's amazing.
So
lots of talent.
We've talked about Christmas is Coming, So Biz Mystic, When Love Happens. I feel that this next film is my film.
Yeah.
Like, I love it. Ovi's voice.
That's a good one. Very touching.
Very touching.
Grab your tissues.
As in,
yes, you will cry.
Man.
You will definitely cry.
It gives me all the feels. Like Bisola Ayola plays Ovi. She was mute in the film. Then this hunk Mofe Duncan comes. Like this knight in shining armor. Come on now, knight in shining armor.
Yeah, don't worry, it's coming. Just wait. Just wait.
So
be waiting though.
So he comes and the meeting, the first encounter wasn't so great.
Yeah.
And the shaffy bello was like this
guy. No, she doesn't even rate him. She's this one has nothing to offer you.
Yeah. And that was his mother.
Imagine your own mother.
That was his mother, and she was like, don't Anan. Oh man, I like that. I love that.
And she gave him that eye, like when looking at. If I slap you.
It was a good movie, and of course Biodun Stevens wrote, produced and directed again.
A shaffy bello, man. Yeah. I love this woman. I love her. She's so talented.
Sorry. Dimeji Ajibola directed, not Biodun. You know, Biodun Stevens it just feels like she can do everything. Honestly. So it was written and produced by Biodun Stevens and directed by Dimeji Ajibola, and starring Bisola Ayola, Mofe Duncan, Uche Obodo, who I saw in the film, and I was like, wow. I've seen her in other stuff, and when I saw her in Ovi's voice, I was like, so she can do this.
Yeah.
Do you get? So she can do this. And Shaffy Bello. And it was such a limited cast.
It was. It wasn't. They didn't have too many people, but it was so well done.
Yeah.
And it was very touching. It was extremely touching. Yeah. Oh my god, he's so hunky. Look at how tall he is.
Ada, don't stray from the topic.
Am I drooling?
Not stray. Don't stray.
Oh, I can't help it, Jerry. But
we've gone on with these wonderful films.
Yeah.
You know, Christmas is coming. Sobi's Mistake, Ovi's Voice. These films that will get you in your feelings and all. This last film, my number one pick.
Yeah.
You know, I was telling you about it when I told you. Picture Perfect.
Oh, I like that one.
It stays true to the title. It's Picture Perfect. Mary Remi Unjoku was immense.
Yeah.
Bolale Nolowo was epic. Like he played Jojo. I can't forget that role in my life.
If I didn't see it with my eyes, I would not have believed.
Right?
Yeah. And he was so convincing.
And I remember he said when he was preparing, he had to go and stay with all these area boys under the bridge and everything, just to feel, prepared. That is
just
proper
to get the vibe.
Dedication to your craft.
Honestly.
Bolani Lawo, take
kudos.
This is me doing some work for you. And the way he just came at it, I think somebody that has an accent. He has a foreign accent. So it was like job to Jojo. Here. I was shocked though.
Nobody can tell me that he has not been an area boy from birth. That's how convincing.
That's how convincing it was.
Yeah, you're looking at it and wow.
Miriam Munjoku plays a high fly fashion designer. And she and who plays Jobs to Jojo.
He saves her.
He saves her. Then from her savior, he turns to a turn in her flesh. Do you get? He sets up shop outside her store. Yeah, store. Do you get? And so it was really, really, really this back and forth. Then something happened. I don't know whether I should spoil it for people, but I've already been spoiling things now. Yeah. Something happened.
No, let's not spoil this one.
But do you get? We should just leave it.
Because if I shut them. Yeah. And Bisoya as a friend is just a vibe because she's there trying to.
Then Ronke Ojo, who I love in the Yoruba films, she played this paraga seller, I think, and she was really.
What is paraga?
She plays this paraga seller.
What if somebody does not know what paraga is?
It's only you that doesn't know paraga.
No, I'm advocating. I'm an advocate.
Okay, for people it's not on this.
Okay, Google what paraga is basically. Tevi doesn't care about you. That's just what she said.
I care about it. It was a good film. It was. I dare say a great film. Do you get?
Yeah.
It was really good, and it had Biodun Stevens wrote. Mary produced and Tope Alake directed.
Yeah.
I think Biodun Stevens has 3 films on this list.
I feel this is her genre. She really kills it in this particular genre. I feel like, you know, if you want that romance, that like,
if you want to be in your feelings, basically you want to you have to.
And this one is so good that there's a whole series now, right? Like, there's a
continuation of it, and all that. So guys, that's it for our romantic comedy for today. Yeah, because we can fall back on something like if we discover more romantic comedies to share with you. Yeah, we'll share with you. We're going to take a tiny break, and we're going to come back with our movie personality of the week with Shaffy Bello. Welcome back to the real show.
Welcome.
So me and Ada have been discussing about our movie personality of the week, Shaffy Bello.
I'm so excited.
I love her. But I don't think I love her as much as Ada does, because Ada is always singing her praises, and for obvious reasons. This woman is epic. She's excellent.
You know those people that whenever you see them, you have to notice them. Like, they always, it doesn't matter if they're in the lead role, the extra, the supporting role, you know, she's walking past that wavy. It doesn't matter. She just
Shaffy Bello.
She just jumps out at you. Her expressions are everything. Her believability.
And do you know she started with music? Like, I don't know, like this song. I used to hear my parents listening to it. Like, love me, Jeje, love me tender, love me. I'm not getting better at that time. So
I actually did not know that.
You didn't know that?
I didn't know that.
See, I know. You didn't know that.
Are you serious?
So that's why she started with it was like, and to see her on the big screen now, acting like she has been in some of the best films.
Yeah, I love watching her. That's just,
I saw her in Elevator Baby, and it was immense. I saw her she was in Battleground, Tinsel. I saw her Obi's voice that we just talked about,
and the Men's Club recently, right? She plays a character's mom, and she also has like a story arc of her own, which is very interesting. And I like bad girls, so I like her.
She was in Where Love Happens.
Yeah. Oh yeah, true. She was the
Taste of Love. Like, she's really your go-to mother or a matriarch in any of this series. I like Taste of Love.
She really knows how to carry strong character roles.
Hire a Man.
Yeah.
Your Excellency. Deep Blue Sea. Woman Express. These are some of Nigeria's, like, Nollywood's finest films.
Yeah.
And look at how pretty she is. That
dress.
Her style is like, she's 50. For somebody who is 50, like, she looks
for anybody, for somebody who's 25, like, come on.
She looks so fine. Her style is chic, classy. Who says the 50-year-old woman cannot dress like this? Shaffy Bello is, oh my god, look at this spandex all over, like leather. She's just looking so gorge. Like, she really, like, a lot of people will look at her and say, this woman is in 50. Do you know? They say she's in 50.
I mean, true beauty is ageless anyways. So congratulations, Shaffy Bello, on being a true beauty.
And she's also very talented. Like, her acting is superb.
It's very superb.
So we don't just say that she's just a pretty face. Or she's really good.
And you're just telling me that she actually sings too. So
yeah,
I mean, she's even more talented than
she's what we call an all-rounder.
Yeah, you know.
An all-rounder.
So a little bit about her. She actually grew up in the United States.
Really? Yes. She has an accent now. So
she has a little bit of an accent sometimes. But I feel like she can also turn up that whole, like, look how, you know, real deep Yoruba accent too. So, you know, kudos to her for versatility and all that. And she is just, you know, she's killing it. What else can we say?
Nothing. And I also like the fact that she's very vocal about talent, and also about being true to yourself.
Yeah.
She's very vocal about it, and being true to yourself, because some people will say, she's 50, why does she dress like this? Why doesn't she dress one way?
She doesn't send.
She doesn't send.
Yes.
Like, she just keeps doing her own thing.
Yeah.
And she looks like she's going to be lightweight. I see her being like this even at 60.
Ageless.
Ageless, like you said, ageless, like fine wine. Like fine wine. I see her being like that. And
I mean, if she ever felt, from the goodness of her heart that she wanted to give me some style tips, please.
Rebecca has no choice. I'll collect though. Look at her now. Look at her looking so good.
Yeah.
So, as in, she's really, 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 really very, very, very amazing. So guys, that's all on the show for today.
It for today, yeah.
That's all on the show for, I hope I've done well for you.
Yeah, I really hope you've enjoyed watching us as much as we've enjoyed doing this. Yeah. Because, this is the best show. We just talk about what we love, which is movies. And, we have a good time, and we hope you're having a good time too.
And I promise we're going to give you like set interviews, backstage interviews.
Yeah, there'll be more to come.
There'll be more to come. This is a show to be on. You have no choice. Am I being
No,
very...
sell it. Give it to them. Yeah.
It's a show to be on. You have to be here.
The best show in the world.
Look at us doing research for you now. Like, what more can you want? What more do you want? You have to be here. So,
should we say goodbye now?
Yes, we should. Okay. This is me signing out. I'm Zaynah Atanda.
I'm Obioma. We'll see you next week.
Bye. Mwah.